January 3rd, 2022, Julian Crypto on-chain data analysis. Bitcoin reserve on exchanges and stablecoin reserve on exchanges are constant during last days. But look at the bigger area, and what can we see is that past 3 days we noticed the big outflow of Bitcoin from spot exchanges, and previously it was it cost big price runs. This time the price runs 3% in 8 hours, so not as much as we were predicting, but also enough pump. About fees are low, so it's also a good sign. Long-term hodlers, also our indicator is really low right now, so it's also a good sign. And stablecoin ratio is a high, so it's also a good sign. In general, we can see that we are at the moment where historically the Bitcoin was in really good time to buy, to accumulate. So are we going to pump again, or are we going to dump? So this question and the answer I'm giving you this opportunity to give you the answer to this question. Another indicator, of course, these are Maximus Tools, and nothing here is a financial advice. Another indicator is a active addresses sentiment indicator. We are historically low. Every time we were at this level, it was also a great moment, a great area to buy. And our Twitter, look what other people says. Dennis Porter is showing this chart that whales are concentrating, are holding low and lower amount of Bitcoin every single year. So this is bullish also sign, because Bitcoin becoming more decentralized. Charlie Bilalo is showing how the Bitcoin market cap and crypto market cap, what was the crypto market cap during each year. In 2013 it was 10 billion, 2015 it was 7 billion, so it was lower, but 2016 it was 17 billion, and 2017 it was $590 billion, and right now it's more than $2 trillion. So almost each year it's more and more. Nayib Bukele, the CEO of Salvador, the president of Salvador, predicts that Bitcoin will reach 100K in 2020, and 2 more countries will adopt it as a legal tender. So I'm asking you, Nayib Bukele, how do you know that 2 more countries? How do you know? Did you talk with somebody? Do you know something what we don't know? So this is my question. And we talk about DEXs and about Huobi past months. I talked that Huobi is exiting China, and this area would be a great time to buy DEX stocks like Uniswap or DYDX or others. So from 23 to December to 31 to December, I predicted that DEXs will rise. And look how DEXs behave. Uni from 23 to 31, more than 20% to Bitcoin. sushi from 23 to 31, more than 52% to Bitcoin. 1 inch, how much? From 23 to 31, almost nothing. Cake. From 23 to 31, 8%, almost 8% to Bitcoin. And DYDX, I told you about DYDX many times on my channel. From 23 to 30, 31, 4%, but you already could take 27% on DYDX. So this is about DEXs, and again I will talk about Polkadot. But Polkadot may be a great time to buy right now because of Polkadot parachain auctions, and during next months the parachains auctions will continue. So probably it is good time to buy Polkadot right now. But remember, of course, it is a not financial advice. Again, I will talk about algorithmic stablecoins, but not now. Maybe I will talk about them tomorrow. So see you tomorrow and have a great year.